Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're going to do a Temu haul. So I'm going to leave my Temu code right here on the screen. That's my code, and then whatever you can get with the code, I'll list that on the screen as well for what that code is worth. And all of my items in this haul will be listed down below in the description box. And I'll also pin a comment with all of my codes and my links, okay? So let's just get right into this. All right, you guys, I think this is a small but mighty haul. So I am in the process of getting in some florals because we're going to redo my whole deck in only faux Temu florals this year. So for this particular order, I have these. So we will look at them. Now, these were not cheap. And I don't know why they weren't cheaper, but I'm hoping that one of these is going to fill a whole pot, like a smaller pot, because they were $10.34 each. $10.34. Okay, so I'm going to put that one down there, and Kermit's over there acting up, if you can hear him. Oh, he's just always into something, you guys. Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, so this is what they look like. Now, of course, they're all bundled together there, so this is probably going to be a lot bigger than it looks. This is what it comes like. So you're obviously gonna have to pull these apart, judge them up, put a little heat to them, a little heat gun, or even a some people use a like a you guys, I can't think, a heat thing, you know, a garment steamer. Yeah. So this is kind of what they're going to look like, but yeah, they need judged out really, really badly. And I'll be quite, oh, these are all separate. These are separate stems. So you're going to take these apart, I think. Yes, they are. They're separate. So you can put them, I think MJ actually cuts hers apart so that she can get more space out of them. So these are already cut, so you don't have to cut them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's about 20 pieces here, honestly. So you can situate them however you'd like, but I think they look really pretty. What do you guys think? I think they look really pretty. I think they're going to be a good addition to outside. So, but yeah, they were $10 for this whole bunch. I don't know. I do like that they're separate down here, so you can move them around and kind of play with them and maybe put some other greenery in between them. So I do like that. But I like them because there's some that are just purple, and then you have some that are purple and white, and then you have some that are white. So you have all three of those colors, which I feel makes it look more realistic when you got more different colors going on. So okay, I mean, you know, I'm not sure if I'm digging the $10 and whatever, but you know, I'm working on buying more so that we can do my deck and probably my front porch too, to be honest with you. So here's to hoping that I can find more over like pretty quick here, because it's spring. We need to get it together. All right, so I do have some really pretty spring jewelry in here to show you. Oh my gosh, I'm even wearing glasses. No wonder why I can't see anything. Okay. So this is a bracelet. It was $9.61. Was I drunk? Was I drinking? What was I doing? I don't even drink, so I don't know where that came from. Okay, $9.61 for this. I mean, it's cute. It is bendable, so it'll fit, you know, whatever size wrist. This is what she looks like. It's got gold and some like floral raffia type of flowers. It's cute, but I just don't know if it's like $9.61 worth of cute. It's made very well. But it is cute. I'll give it that. It needs to, you know, I need to shape it to my wrist. I do like it, but I don't know. It kind of reminds me of Lily Pulitzer, doesn't it, in a way? Like, kind of those colors. I do like it. I mean, it is well made, but I don't know if it's $9.61 worth of made well, especially from Temu. I don't know, you guys. I mean, $10 for a bracelet, I just don't know. See, I'm so used to like getting good prices on Temu that I just don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's nice. I like the different colors. This will literally match with anything. But $9.61? Sheesh. Okay. Now this particular bracelet was only $2.07, which to me seems much more affordable, okay? $2.01. It's kind of the same type of, you know, look almost. It's got these pink flowers. It's pink, it's gold, it's a cuff. It is flexible to fit any size wrist. That's what it looks like on. Sorry if you can hear that. I think that's Brian upstairs. But I like that. For $2, I mean, this one's $2. You know, this one's $10. I mean, I guess it, I mean, I don't know, you guys. $10, $2. They're really pretty, though. They'll be pretty in the summer. Love those. I bought a lot of jewelry that's kind of the same look so that they all can work together. This is a ring. It was also $2.07, and it matches the bracelet. It actually matches both bracelets, but this is what it looks like. And it's adjustable, so it'll fit any size finger. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty. I like it. Yeah, that's the back of it. And that's the front. So yeah, that's cute. $2 for that. Here is another ring. This one was $2.20. It is also pink. Matches the bracelet. Actually matches. I try to get all like matchy kind of stuff. So this one is also adjustable. I can feel Kermit down at my feet. And that is this one. It is adjustable. So there's the back. And there is the front. Really, really pretty little enamel type of ring. It's really pretty. I like the way the swirls are in that pink color. Hopefully you can see those. So that's a little matchy. Okay, and then we have this bracelet. It is white. It looks just like that pink one down there for $2. So this one was also $2.07. $2.07. This one was really pretty. It's white, but if you notice on the white creamy part, it's almost like a pearlescent type, and you know, it'll fit any wrist, so it'll look kind of like that. But I really like the pearlescence of it. I hope that you guys can see that on the screen, if you know what I mean. It's like a pearlescence to it. Really pretty. I like that. So same, this is the pink's the same as this one. These ones are the $2 ones. Very nice. I really like those. They're pretty. Okay, then we have a ring. Now this ring is a little bit of a statement ring. It was $1.95. Look at this ring. Now this is also that pearlescent type of pink. This is an adjustable ring, so it's going to fit anyone. And like I said, she's kind of a whole vibe. She's a whole statement. She is a whole statement. And there's the back. It's adjustable. How pretty is that? You could probably wear it like either way. Maybe you want the long part up this way. That would kind of get in my way, I think. So I like prefer to put it like down, so it goes like down my hand a little bit. But I like that. It's really pretty. Very spring, very summery. We love it. We love it. And that was $1.95. And then this is another ring. It's just like that other white and gold ring, only I bought a pink one. And this one is $2.07. Adjustable again. So let me adjust it a little bit. It's a little bit small. There we go. That's cute. It's just a little pink ring. And then there's the back. It's an adjustable gold piece. Really cute. Really nice. I like, you know, I kind of wanted like this kind of vibe going on. Or I could even wear it with this, because there's some pink on this $10 bracelet. This $10 bracelet. Good grief. You know, really cute. Okay. And then I got a set of nails. Of course I did. So these were $2.54. I got these in a medium. I maybe should have got a large, but I'm guessing that they probably didn't have the large available, so that's why I went with the medium. so that I could get some. I think these are adorable. I love the color of them. Look at that. Look at that pink. Like, we're talking neon pink. But yeah, I maybe should have got a large, but I don't know. They look like they're probably going to fit. So, but yeah, those are going to be great for summer. Get a little tan going on. They'll be super duper duper cute. And they'll be even cuter with these bracelets and everything. You know what I mean? Like, look how cute. Yeah. So, love those. All right. And then I have one more piece of jewelry. And this one, I will say, came local warehouse. So, add on a couple bucks for shipping. $7.10. If you can hear Kermit, he's in a box over there. So $7.10 plus a couple bucks. So this was like almost $10. And you guys, if you've been on Temu, you've probably seen these. It's a silicone band with like an engagement ring kind of. I will tell you, when I put this on the other day, I stretched out the silicone a little too far and this piece fell off completely. I was able to get it back on because it's just on here, if you can tell. Well, here's what she looks like, first off. Here's what she looks like. I got it in a size 7. It's a silicone band ring, like little kind of engagement ring. But when it feels really nice. Now, I will say that the stone portion is not the best. Is it $7, $8, $9, $10 worth of, but I think when I went to pull this off, I stretched this band and the piece that's right here flew off because it can come off. Okay. So if it gets, I wish I could show you. Oh, here's a good way to show you. So here's the back where the ring, like this is where the ring is, you know, on there. If that stretches, it kind of comes out of there. And actually there's a word in here. It says, I don't know what that says. Does it go this way? It says something like L-O, I don't know, maybe you guys can see it. There's like some wording in there or something. So I don't, must be it looks like it says L-O-V-I-L-D-S, Lovilds. I don't know. I'm just not super crazy about the actual engagement ring part. I feel like it could be like, you know, sometimes you'll get a really good looking ring from Temu. But they have all kinds of these. And they have bands that are white. They have bands that are pink. They have black. Some I've seen in teal blue. I've seen hearts. I've seen pear shapes. And I ordered a few of them because I thought they were super uber duper cute. I think it looks cute on. But I just don't know. You know, it's just not very realistic looking. Maybe it's just this cut, you know, in particular. Potentially. I don't know. But I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think? I just thought they were kind of cool. I like the silicone band idea of it, but I wish they would have went a little bit better quality on the stone that's in here, you know? So, I don't know. I did get some other ones in different shapes, so maybe, you know, when they come, you know, when I get them, maybe they'll sparkle better. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's just that particular cut. I'm just not real sure. So, all right, everyone, that was my really quick springtime sort of jewelry outdoorsy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and give me a hype. And I will see you in the next one. God bless. Bye.